y'all, you're back and we're back and oh my god, that knife is back too, and he got the nerve enough to be sitting up on a package, y'all. Anyway, whatever knife, whatever. We're gonna do another unboxing. Yay! It's like Christmas because we got a whole bunch of boxes today, so let's get started. So as you can see, I've got everything unboxed. And oh my god, okay, I'm gonna show you what everything is. 1 second. Alright, these are some nail forms. They're super long. I got these off of Amazon, and I can put the links in the descriptions for all of these. I got these, I can't remember what site it was in Amazon, but they had some really extra long, and I really love them. It says Gel Sky, so I will see if that is the correct store, and I'll put it in the description box. I love them. They're so cute and pink. As you can see, I started taking off some of my nails because the whole thing is I'm going to try to do my nails on camera, you guys. We're going to see how this goes, but I'm going to try to complete my next set on camera with you guys. So, okay, so then also from Amazon, I ordered, and I think these are from, hold on, let me see if I can tell. It looks like, I can't make that out. It looks like something masky, or I don't know, Mad Key Nails, but I will also put that in the description, you guys. And as you can see, they have some little crowns in there. There you go, see the crowns. And they've got pearls. You know a girl needs pearls. Wonderful. So I will also put their description in there, or they're in the description box. I'll put their link. But they also are with Amazon, came off of Amazon, and they have some beautiful nail art. I also ordered some Mia Secret liquid monomer, a big bottle this time, because my monomer that I got from the other places were just so little. Then I got Mia Secret Prep. This is the bond and the primer. Well, this is the bond rather, and that one is the dehydrator. And then I got a soak off by Onyx, so that I can soak my nails off and not have to be concerned about, you know, taking forever. And then I also got some Cabachons, a whole bunch. Like, if you could see these, there's so many of them. They look like little candies. They're so cute. Some of them are just adorable. So I will be putting these on my nails, you guys. I love little girly things. I love kawaii type things. You never get too old. If you always like these as a child, you're going to grow up to be a woman that loves them. So I just put them on my nails, and I put them on like my keychains. That's about it. That's the only thing I could do to keep my kawaii fix going. So alright. And then I also have some clear acrylic powder from Mia Secret, some pink acrylic powder from Mia, and I got her white acrylic powder, French 3D powder. So, and I'll be using those as well. I also ordered a brush, a new brush that should be coming soon. So when that comes, I'll be doing an unboxing on that as well. But I'm really excited because it's a really big brush. Okay, over here, these all came from Etsy. So I'll definitely have to put them in the description box. This one is so you can make your own press-on nails, and I just ordered one because I wanted to get started on it. I'm not really sure how good I'm going to be at it. So, you know, and I'm probably just going to put a piece of tape to hold the nail onto it because it doesn't look like it has a gummy end or anything to hold the nail. So, yeah, just so I can see how it works out, you guys. So we'll test it out and see. But these nails, oh, are they beautiful, these jewels. I got these from Flirty Nail Design, and she has the most gorgeous diamond jewelry for nails. Can you just stand it. Look at that. Don't look at my old raggedy nails because we're going to do them over. Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use them, you know. They're just gorgeous, you guys. Like those little diamond jewels and stuff. Came off Etsy and they weren't that much. I mean, they were like maybe $7 or $8. So like I said, yeah, we'll be doing a set of nails together. I'm very excited about the nails on my channel because it needs to be put with the easy like peasy section, because we are going to be doing our nails because we don't have a nail tech. Remember, these are struggle nails. We're trying to get through this pandemic, you guys, and get us some decent designer nails. So we'll see how it all works out, but we're gonna keep trying. In the meantime, peace out.